Right, I've transferred our Heath Robinson chart onto a different lock. This lock has a key, so if we use the key, there we go. And if we look at the bitting on the key, you can see that they're all pretty much high lifts. So it looks like they're going to be 1s, 2s and 3s possibly. So let's pop the pick in and we'll get our custom made pointer. There we go. And if you remember, the pick handle needs to point exactly downwards. And then this, if we position this underneath that first lever and rotate till it stops, you can see that it's pointing at a 4. If we push it in, it's gone to a 3. Now we've got a 1. Looks like a 3 again, and a 1. So 4, 3, 1, 2, 1. Looks like that is what it's telling me. And I'm going to be perfectly honest with you, I don't know. But looking at the key, that's almost exactly what we've got in there. So let's take this apart and see what levers are in there. Okay, I've just popped the locksmith tool in there to stop it from exploding. Okay, so let's pop this open. And the first lever is a 4. Look at all that grease in there, that's never been opened before. So we've got a lever 4, a 4, we've got a 3, we've got a 1, and we've got a 3 and a 1. So the Heath Robinson chart told us exactly what we needed to know about this lock. So we've actually decoded that before we started. Now, if we were going to hand pick this, if you remember, there are 2 levers that are high lift, which is going to be levers 1 and 2, lever heights 1 and 2, and then all of the rest of the levers are then going to be low lift. And remember, that's to do with the positioning of the notches, or the anti-pick notches on the actual levers. So on levers 1 and 2, the anti-pick notches are before this true gate, so they need to be lifted above. And on the rest of the levers, the anti-pick notches are after the true gate, and so therefore they need to be lifted lower. Otherwise you're going to lift straight into the you're going to put the lock straight into anti-pick. So that was quite accurate. That was quite impressive for a simple chart. Let's do another lock. Right, we've got the next lock in here. The bitting's a little bit more varied on this key. Let's see whether our decoder chart is going to work on this lock. So I'm going to pop that back to where it was, which is 45 pointing downwards. Let's just get the wire in. There we go. Obviously this could be much improved. It wouldn't work on a door like this for sure, but you would be able to adapt it so that as long as you can get a pick wire in there, then I'm sure there's going to be a way of reading the charts. So let's have a look. So first lever, is reading as a 2. Let's go to the second lever. first second lever is reading as a 5. There's a little jump down between that lever and that one, so it's reading as a 4. So 2, 5, 4. That looks like it's going to be a 1 and a 4 to finish. So 2, 5, 4, 1, 4 is what I've got on that one. Let's see whether we can take this apart while you're... Let's see what we got. So the first lever is a 2. Second lever is a 5. 4. 4, 1, 4. So 2, 5, 4, 1, 4. That's exactly what we read on the chart. And looking at the key, I would concur that that's probably going to be exactly what we found looking at the bitting on the key. Right, one last lock. And on this one, you can probably see we've got quite an extreme on the bitting there. So let's do the same thing again. We'll turn the curtain. We'll get it in exactly the same place that we've had it before. Again, this pick handle is hanging straight down, and we've now got the wire in. So let's see what this is going to read as. So we've got, looks like it's pointing at a 6. Yep, I would say 6 and a 6. Let's write this down. 6, 6, and then lever 3, 6, 6. Lever 3 is going up to a 3. Lever 4 is somewhere between a 1 and a 2. It's a 2. And then the last one is going to be a 3 again. So I've got 6, 6, 3, 2, 3. 6, 6, 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. Right, let's have a look at this one then, see if we can confirm that's what we've... Okay. So now we've got a discrepancy. So we've got a 7. So we've got a 7 and a 7. And we've got a 3, 3, 2, 3. So I said 6, 6, 3, 2, 3. But the 7s were reading as a 6 on this log. So there's a little bit of discrepancy there. But let's have a little chat about how you can use this information to help open the log.